We want everyone to experience stainless steel that's truly stainless. We can't get to their fridge, so we're bringing our Frigidaire Smudge-Proof Stainless Steel Refrigerator to them. Come on, Charlotte, let's go check out the challenge. Oh, perfect mess. You did great. A little bit more.
Oh, how much mess do you want?
Try to get towards the top. Stand back a little bit.
Oh.
It's a lot easier. Getting it all over.
Just smudging around.
Oh, this is great. Oh, look how easy this is.
I need a lot more paper towels.
Smoking ya.
More paper towels, please.
Whatever. I think I'm done.
No, yours has got a couple more smudges. I know.
That was really easy.
I really like this one.
I know.
This is definitely a
Sold.
winner.
Sold.
Yeah.
Yay.
Still wiping it down. She's done like that.
You have time
And,
to do other things. You're not just cleaning, cleaning, cleaning.
It was really easy and it wasn't a lot of mess.
It was super easy just to wipe up and down and no smudges at all.
That would make my life a lot easier if I didn't have to go around cleaning up fingerprints all the time.